So, viewers, this is snail slime. Let me pour it here so that you see it very well. You see, you see. Hello, guys. Thank you for joining us. So today I'm going to show you how I get my slime from snail. Okay, so I'm removing this one out. You see, the shell. Manala, my bá for tí mo ti ṣe síbẹ̀. This is big snail. So viewers, this is our snail here. So I remove it from the shell. You see. This is the shell of the. So now I want to get the slime out of it. So I have this rubber here. This is the slime. So you see, this is our slime. You see the way we are gardening it. You see. This is snail slime. You can use it for skin rashes. It's to make your, if you want to, you can rub it in your face in case you have some pimples. So, viewers, this is snail slime. Let me pour it here so that you see it very well. You see. You see. So, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to Hey, she might be done. I think I do like this one. Ooh. So you can use this to rub your face like this. It's very good. It will clean any itches you have, like pimples. It will make your face to smooth. So you can even use this for your skin like this. So you leave it like 1 hour, or it depends how you have time to wash it. Okay, so it will work. It will make your skin to be smooth and your face to be, this is natural thing. Thank you for watching. Philip ṣé wàá lo rí Philip ń jẹ ráìsì lọ́wọ́ later máa fi ra ojú ẹ̀. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friend and family. Ó dàbí, it's like you are using egg to rub your face. Ó máa bí breeze yẹn ṣe ń touch ojú yẹn, ó máa dry, you see. Ó máa jẹ́ kí ojú yẹn smooth gan. It's very good. You can keep this one for a room temperature or inside fridge. Okay, you see. Manila ṣe kí n fi rojú ẹ̀. Ó wà okay. Ó máa jẹ́ kójú yẹn kó smooth ni. Ó máa take care báyìí. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ìtọ́wọ́ mi rẹ ti gan.